the video today, I'm going over what to do if your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 freezes or the touchscreen is not working properly. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing you want to do is hold down on the power and the volume down button. Now on this phone, the volume down is at the top and the power is in the middle here. So volume down, power, we're going to hold that until the screen goes blank or basically goes black. 1, 2, 3, hold. It will bring you to this screen. Continue to hold those two buttons. And usually after about 10 seconds, you'll see the screen shut off. And what this is going to do is trigger what is called a soft reset. It basically is shutting the phone down, turning it back on, and this is going to help to reboot and refresh the software. So if there was an app or if there was something in the settings that was causing the phone to glitch, this will usually clear it because it's going to restart the computer inside the phone. And once you turn it back on, you should be good to go. Now, if when you restart the phone is still acting kind of crazy, maybe the touchscreen still isn't working properly, the next step would be to either go to Samsung.com and go to their web support. You'll want to find a local cell phone service and repair center, have them take a look at the screen to see if there is damage. If the screen is cracked or there's any physical damage, that could also be the reason why your screen is not working properly. In that case, you'll want to look to try to get it replaced. Now again, Samsung.com, if you go to the web support, they can give you a list of all the certified service and repair centers that are around you. So you can have it fixed at a place that is certified to fix Samsung devices. So anyway, guys, I hope you found this helpful. If it was, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.